Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can open or enable auto replies in Outlook. It is pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So auto replies are basically emails, or an auto reply is basically a bot that Outlook gives you. That basically it's a feature that once anyone that sends you an email at a specific time period, they're going to get an auto reply, or it's going to be a bot that tells the person that just sent you the email to wait sure until we reply. Basically, if you send to any type of government email, it's going to tell you we're going to take a little bit usual time because of the amount of requests, from around 2 to 3 days or 2 to 3 weeks. This is basically an auto reply. So how we can do this is actually we're going to launch Outlook. Now from Outlook, we're going to click on the top left corner on your ID or on your profile picture, then on the settings in the bottom left corner. Then you're going to choose the specific email that you want to have on auto replies, and you're going to click on it. Then, as you can see, something called automatic replies you have over here. Click on it and then turn it on, and as you can see, you can make automatic replies that anyone who sends you any type of email is going to give you a reply that basically, I'm out of office, we have a lot of requests, so just make sure to wait until we reply to you, and all this kind of stuff. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll